Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore matching washer and electric dryer set. And right now I've got it set up running a heavy duty load. We've got the water level set to high. I've got it filled up here with a pretty heavy jeans, jackets, towels, shirts, that kind of thing. And I always do a fourth load like this as testing and cleaning everything. As if you were standing here yourself checking it out, you get to see that everything on it works perfect. And I've got a little lid lock, or I should say lid switch bypass on this, so I'll be able to open it up and show you what's going on without it shutting down on us. Now once you get the machine, that'll be in place, and if you lift the lid up, it stops the machine. It's a nice safety feature. But as I'm testing this and open this up and the machine keeps running, just keep that in mind. It won't do that when you get it. It'll have that nice safety feature in place. So I'm gonna fill all the way up with water. I'm gonna show you that it agitates like it's supposed to. Then as it moves over to the rinse cycle, drains the water out like it's supposed to. Then when we move on to the final spin, show you that it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. So we'll let it fill up and we'll come back. We are back, agitating, got a nice strong agitation there. So it's doing an excellent job. Full submersion with the water. As I set the water level to its highest setting. Moving right along. Okay, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. It's going to kick that drain on, drain all the water out, just about all the water out. Then it'll kick over to spin mode and spin the water out. Then it's gonna fill all the way back up with fresh, clean rinse water. It'll agitate on rinse. And it'll drain out again, and we'll be back onto the final spin cycle, which is what I'll come show you next. But you can hear, obviously, that drain working nice and fast. Let it go ahead and finish up this draining cycle. All right, guys, we're coming out of the rinse cycle now. It's drained all the water out, switched over to spin, and it's getting up to speed. The more it spins the water out, the faster this thing's speed will climb up. But go ahead and show you as it's getting started here. Spinning nice and fast. Excellent job getting all that water extracted out of those clothes so they'll be nice and light going into the dryer. I'll show you what that closed up. You can see. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. There's little to no vibration in this. You see, it's nice and balanced. So I'll let that go ahead and finish up. Then when it's done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer. Okay, we have got the washer. It's all cleaned out now, and I went ahead and reset the lid lock switch, or the lid switch I should say. It doesn't actually lock the lid on that one. Now we've got those clothes going in the dryer. I've got it set to time dry, which is a high heat. Got the heat set to high right there. You've got an on-off switch for your signal, so if you got kids sleeping, something like that, you can turn that off. That's a real nice feature. And I'm going to show you that it is, in fact, heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's taking a surface temperature measurement. It's about 80 degrees on the top of this dryer. Shining on the ground, it's about 63 degrees. So we'll go ahead and open this up. See, everything's tumbling like it's supposed to. Plenty of heat coming out of the heating element tube, which in turn heats the inside of your dryer up anywhere from 95 up to 195 degrees. Just depends on what you have your heat setting at. See the lights working. Close that up. We'll just hit go. Just push that button in there. Now you've got delicate settings on here, so if you have something you want to wash and dry, you've got delicate settings on the washer and delicate settings on the dryer. So you can hit that air dry even or auto dry. Tons of different options you can set, but that's gonna be it for these. Now you know everything's working perfect on them. We'll go ahead and get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.